I want to head over to meteorologist Chris Bianchi to talk about, and I don't know if you're going to do it now, Chris, but we use the word microburst and people hear that and think, oh no, there could be some serious damage. So tell us what you're talking about.
Yeah, so if you're watching me from northeast Denver just a few minutes ago, you may have had a brief rush of gusty winds, and that is a classic dry microburst. And in fact, if you have flights during the summer months, we always tell you to try and avoid booking flights that land or take off between 2 and 7 p.m. in the summer months, because we often get this. Notice this little bit of green here and how it kind of goes away. It might look innocent, but what that is rain evaporating before it hits the ground, and what we call a dry microburst, which means mostly wind. So let's explain this and why it is so common here along the Front Range. We live in a dry place, right? So at the surface, often the air is dry. So as that rain falls from the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, that rain evaporates before it hits the ground. Colder air is heavier and denser than warm air. So the result is you get all that rushing air down towards the surface of the earth. It's all plain old gravity here, folks. So you get that cold air that's evaporating. Think about the reason why we sweat when we run, that evaporation. That is what goes on here with the dry microburst. That's what we get often at this time of year.